Okay, so I haven't done a video for a little while here, but today's video I'm going to go over the arrows strategy. So we're just going to go through the trades here that I'm in first, and then I'll go over a couple other things. So you can see the Aussie New Zealand on the daily chart here. You can see I'm up 72 pips, and it's at a break-even trade right now. So we'll see if it gets stuck around this area or if it comes up a little bit more and could turn over and continue to the downside here. We bounced off of this area here, so we'll see what happens. But it is a risk-free trade now. So we'll move over onto the other one, the odd CAD. You can see we've got some support here and resistance here. This is also a risk-free trade now. We got down into this level, so I put it as a risk-free here. So moved it to break even. We're up 72 pips on this one. Let's move over to the Aussie Yen. Now this one right now is showing a little bit more strength to the downside. We're up 80 pips. I haven't moved this to break even yet. I'd like to wait and see if we can get down into this area and then at least 100 pips and then move it to break even. So you can see I'm targeting this support area here, which is about 800 pips down. So we'll see how we do there. The next trade is the CAD Swiss. Now this CAD Swiss here, you can see there's no daily arrows, so I didn't get into this trade based on the daily. You can see over on the scanner here, the CAD Swiss, I got in off of the 4-hour signal here off the scanner. So if we move this down to the 4-hour, you can see this is exactly why I got in. We got the big arrow at an area of resistance. So this is why it was actually printed on this bar here, on this red bar, and I got in on the pullback here. So you can have a look. Well, let's go straight in. Actually, we'll go a little bit further and go to the 15, and you can actually see the exact entry here. Just because we get the big arrow here doesn't mean we go short automatically. What we're going to do is drop the EA, the arrows auto trader EA, onto a 15-minute chart, and that's going to wait and then take the trade for us. So we'll get into the 15 minutes here, and you can see that we got the big arrow on the 15 and a couple little arrows here, and this is where we got into the trade, and we had our stop loss up about 17 pips. So not a bad entry. We're targeting lower here on the 4-hour. So this is a 4-hour trade, and looking for it to come down into this area, which is roughly, I think, about 200. Yeah, so 220 pips. So we'll see what happens if we can get down there. But that's the CAD Swiss. So same with the dailies. When I'm getting in on these dailies, and we'll go back to the daily time frame here. You can see when I'm getting in on the dailies here, I get the big arrow. I print it. I'm waiting for another confirmation here, and then I will open up a 15-minute chart, and I'll put the UFX arrows auto trader EA on, and that will look for the trade on the 15-minute chart. So when we get a pullback, we get a couple arrows and the confirmations to enter the trade on the 15-minute chart, then the EA will take the trade for us. This way we're not sitting at the charts waiting for the setup. We can go about doing our business, or whether you're working, whatever. Generally when I get into the trade though, it's during the Euro session, and that's the middle of the night for me. So the EA works out perfect, gets me in the trade. And then I can set my targets accordingly when I wake up and if I'm in the trade. Okay, so there's the Swiss yen. You can see we're up 190 pips, and it's still pushing to the downside here, so we'll see what happens. Euro yen up 186 pips. USD Swiss 72 pips. And the USD CAD, I'm going to show you. I got in on the daily. We're up 174 pips right now, but you can see I'm not targeting way up here on the daily. You can see where my target is. It's down a bit lower here. And if I drop to the 4 hour, you're going to see exactly why I'm targeting that area. Okay, we've got a resistance here. So if we come up into this area, I want to get out. And that's going to be about 350 pips. So, okay, so not bad. 173 pips right now. We're pushing up pretty nice. I could move this to break even, but I'm not going to. Who knows if we're going to get a bounce off of this area and then come back down here and then move further up. So I'll just leave it where it's at and let it do its thing. So as you can see, I've got an advertisement over here for USGFX, which is the broker that I have this running on right now. You can see USGFX live. I've got the sign up link in the description if you want to open up an account with them. They're a great broker. I like them. Also, introducing broker. If you do sign up with them, shoot me a message on Telegram, UFX _support, and talk to me about the introducing broker. I'll pass you on to the proper account manager, and it's just another source of income that you can do. So if you're interested in that, let me know. And next, let's get into how you can get this strategy. I'm going to bring over the PDF here. So if you sign up as a YouTube member, I believe it's $5 a month, you're going to get this strategy. There's also a couple of other strategies as well, but this one I suggest going with. It's an easy strategy. You can use a small account, and it's got a very, very good risk reward as well. So the arrow strategy, this is the PDF. After you're a YouTube member, you simply send me a message on the Telegram. There's the information on YouTube there to get a hold of me on Telegram, and I will give you the download links. Very, very simple PDF. It's got 2 steps: how to find the pairs to trade on the daily and 4 hour, which is basically what I just showed you. There's a little bit more to it, but not much. Very, very simple. Step 2, you attach the EA to the chart. It's that simple. 15-minute chart, and you attach the EA. You let the EA get you into the trade. No sitting there watching the charts and horsing around. So this is the PDF. If you become a YouTube member, you can download that right away, or get a hold of me on Telegram, and I will upload that to you right away. As for the scanner, this scanner is going to be updated hopefully this week, but that is going to be only for those that want to purchase the indicator package, which is $25 a month. So this will be in there, but don't worry, because my other live stream is going to have this scanner on it. So I'm going to be having the 1 hour set, the 4 hour, and the daily. As you can see right now, I've only got the 4 hour and the daily are green. So those are the only ones that are going to give the signals right now. But when I put this on the live stream, which hopefully will be done over the next couple hours, the 1 hour is also going to be on there. So you can scan that. If you're a YouTube member, you don't need this. You don't need the scanner, because I'm going to have it on the live stream. Okay, so very important. If you want this strategy, become a YouTube member, $5 a month. Get a hold of me on Telegram, and I will upload it to you. You can watch the live stream, and or also just click through yourself, and it doesn't take very long to see if you're going to attach the EA to the chart or not. So good strategy, and very good risk reward. So anyways, that is it for today. We will talk to you guys later.